Many traders lose trades not because their strategy is wrong, but because they do not understand where the market is rejecting price. When price reaches an important level, buyers and sellers fight for control, and that rejection becomes clearly visible on the candlestick chart. Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I am going to share a simple and effective price action strategy based on two powerful candlestick patterns, the Gravestone Doji and the Dragonfly Doji. This strategy helps you understand when the market rejects higher prices and when it rejects lower prices. A Gravestone Doji shows strong rejection from the top and gives a clear buy opportunity, while a Dragonfly Doji shows strong rejection from the bottom and gives a clear sell opportunity. In this video, I will explain each pattern using real market charts. You will see exactly why I take buy and sell trades, how to identify strong rejection, and how to avoid weak signals on the 1-minute time frame. This strategy uses no indicators and is based purely on price action, making it simple, clean, and practical for everyday trading. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because missing even one rule can change your results. Before we start, a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. Trading involves financial risk, and losses are possible. So always practice on a demo account first and apply proper risk management before trading with real money. Now let me explain the exact trading rules for this strategy. This method is used on the 1-minute candlestick time frame with a 1-minute trade expiry to capture the immediate price reaction after the doji candle closes. A buy trade is taken only when a Gravestone Doji appears on the chart and shows strong rejection from higher prices with a long upper wick and a small candle body. After the candle closes completely, a buy trade is entered with a 1-minute expiry. A sell trade is taken only when a Dragonfly Doji appears on the chart and shows strong rejection from lower prices, with a long lower wick and a small candle body. After the candle closes completely, a sell trade is entered with a 1-minute expiry. It is very important to always wait for the candle to close fully before entering any trade. Trades should also be avoided during low volatility or major news events. To make things easier, I have created a free step-by-step checklist PDF that explains every rule of this strategy in a simple format. You can download it from my Telegram channel, and the link is available in the description below. Now that you understand the rules clearly, let us move to the live chart examples and see how this strategy works in real market conditions. Now focus on this first chart carefully. Let me explain this sell trade clearly. On this chart, price had already moved up and reached a short-term high area. After that move, the candle formed a Dragonfly Doji, which clearly shows rejection from lower prices and market hesitation near the top. I waited for the Dragonfly Doji candle to close completely because confirmation is very important in a 1-minute trade. Once the candle closed and rejection was confirmed, I entered a sell trade with a 1-minute expiry following my rules. After I entered, I watched only one thing. Did price stay under control without a strong jump against my entry? You can see the movement stayed stable, and the candle did not explode upward. That tells me the market accepted the rejection zone and started reacting in the direction I expected for this short expiry setup. As the 1-minute expiry completed, the price stayed below my entry, and the trade closed in profit. Right after the first trade closed, I shifted my attention to the second chart. Here again, price showed a short pullback and then formed another Dragonfly Doji candle, indicating rejection and hesitation before the next move. After the Dragonfly Doji closed, I confirmed the setup and entered another sell trade with the same 1-minute expiry. Once the second trade was active, price respected the rejection zone and continued moving down without a strong bounce. As the expiry finished, the second sell trade also closed in profit. This shows how repeating the same Dragonfly Doji rules with patience can produce consistent results. Now let me explain this buy trade step by step. On this chart, price had already moved down strongly and then started slowing near the lower area. At this point, the candle formed a Gravestone Doji, which clearly shows rejection from higher prices and market hesitation after the drop. I did not enter immediately. I waited for the Gravestone Doji candle to close completely because confirmation is very important in a 1-minute trade. Once the candle closed and rejection was confirmed, I entered a BY trade with a 1-minute expiry, strictly following my rules. After entering the buy trade, I watched how the price reacted. You can see that price did not continue falling aggressively. Instead, it started holding and moving upward slowly, which tells me buyers were stepping in. As the 1-minute expiry completed, price stayed above my entry and the trade closed in profit. Now let me explain this sell trade clearly. On this chart, price had already moved down and then started slowing near the lower area. During this pause, a Dragonfly Doji candle formed, which showed rejection from lower prices and hesitation in the market. After the Dragonfly Doji candle closed completely, I followed my rules and entered a sell trade with a 1-minute expiry. After entering the trade, price initially stayed stable, but then buyers started to step in with strong momentum. Instead of continuing down, price moved upward more aggressively than expected. This is something that can happen in short-term trading. Even when a setup looks clean, the market can still change direction quickly, especially on a 1-minute time frame. I did not interfere with the trade or exit early. I allowed the trade to complete because following rules is more important than reacting emotionally. As the expiry finished, the price closed above my entry, and this trade resulted in a loss. This loss does not mean the strategy failed. It simply shows an important truth. No strategy wins 100% of the time. What matters is that the trade was taken according to the rules, with proper timing and discipline. Losses are part of trading, and managing them correctly is what keeps traders consistent in the long run. So traders, this is how this strategy works in real market conditions, with both wins and losses. If this video helped you, please like the video and comment below if you want more explanations like this. And for more clean, honest price action strategies, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, trade safely, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.